Okay, I'm going to resin fill this across here. So I've made these two forms which I'll screw on here on each side to make that level. But I don't want the resin to stick to that, so I'm going to hit each of them just with some extra olive oil so that they stay nice and slippery when I apply that in there, so then I can pop these off when they're finished, because I'm just trying to make this flush so that I can then fit another broad piece back, which I tore off when I lifted up the floor. So this isn't rotten, it's splintered from when I got a bit strong-armed with it. So I'll just backfill with resin, so I've got my level, and then I'm going to have to sand the inside, so step at a time, let's go. Well, there it is. That went off inside of like about 2 minutes, so I think, well, it's hot anyway, it's probably like 42 at the moment, and that, I obviously put a bit too much hardener in there, but yeah, I've got that filled, so I'll give it today to dry, and then pull this form and work off tomorrow, and that's that leveled, and then I can start working on sanding all around here. So I want to cut this off halfway in here and form a new piece back in to support in along there under that, and that's what my new floor will sit on after I have fiberglassed in a new rail. Okay, so I've done the fill under there, and I've just screwed down this beam, or floor support I call it. I've sanded down all the insides in here. I'm going to have to clean it out. I've ordered the sender and the inspection points. They'll take a little bit to get here. I think I'd say the next step is to start going through and fiberglass in this part, which is loose, and these, and fiberglass in these floor supports, and bog in, there's a little air gap in here. So that will be next weekend. Thank you for watching.